Welcome to our channel. Kailasa was silent. The wind sighed slowed. Even the Himalayas seemed to listen. Shiva sat in deep meditation, eyes closed. Mind still, time paused around him. But Parvati was watching and she was smiling. Not a loud smile, a gentle one, a knowing one. She did not interrupt. She did not question. She was silent. She did not demand attention. She understood silence. It's because love also speaks without words. She sat beside him, calm as moonlight, warm as sunrise. Shiva's silence was deep. Even Parvati's presence was deeper. She knew his silence was not distance. It was devotion. It was responsibility. It was cosmic balance, and she respected it. That is strength. That is trust. That is divine love. Many fear silence. They think silence means rejection. But Parvati knew better. Silence can be sacred. Silence can be healing. Silence can be power. She smiled because she understood. Understanding creates peace. Peace creates strength. She did not fill the space with noise. She filled with grace. Her eyes said, I am here. Her heart said, take your time. This is emotional maturity. This is inner abundance. She did not need constant words. She had constant faith. Shiva's silence tested patience. But Parvati's smile showed strength. Anyone can love during laughter. Few can love during silence. She honored his inner journey. That is divine partnership. That is real support. She was not insecure. Silence cannot shake strong love, it only deepens it. Sometimes people you love go silent, not because they stopped caring, but because they are fighting unseen storms, growing quietly, healing privately, building strength internally. Respect their silence. Give them space with love. That space becomes trust. That trust becomes unbreakable. Parvati teaches emotional balance, not chasing attention, not demanding reassurance, but offering calm presence. Her smile said, I am not threatened by silence because I know my value and I know yours. That is secure love. That is divine feminine strength. That is power without noise. Shiva opened one eye briefly. He saw her smile and closed his eyes again because he felt understood. Love strengthens the universe. Their bond needed no conversation. Their hearts were already connected. That is the highest communication. She did not feel alone because presence is stronger than words. Love strengthens the universe. Many sit together but feel distant. Parvati sat in silence and felt close. That is emotional mastery. That is spiritual union. That's inner fulfillment. Her smile became meditation. Her stillness became wisdom. Without speaking, she taught the world. Love is not control. Love is not fear. Love is faith in silence. Do not panic when life becomes silent. Silence often means transformation. Seeds grow in silence. Mountains rise in silence. Souls evolve in silence. Parvati knew growth is quiet. She trusted the unseen process. That is wisdom. That is maturity. That is spiritual confidence. Her smile was a blessing. It said, take your time. I am not going anywhere. That assurance gave Shiva peace. Peace strengthens purpose. Purpose sustains the universe. When Shiva finally opened his eyes fully, he did not see impatience, he did not see complaint. He saw peace, he saw devotion, he saw strength, and he smiled back. That moment was powerful, that moment was eternal. She did not win by speaking, she won by understanding. Silence did not weaken their bond, it purified it, made it deeper, made it stronger, made it unshakable. That is divine love. When someone you love is quiet, do not assume the worst, assume growth, assume healing, assume strength building. Give love without pressure, give support without noise, give faith without fear. That is Parvati's lesson. Parvati smiled because she understood. Understanding removed fear. Their silence blessed creation. Their patience sustained harmony. Their trust inspired devotion. Their calm taught harmony. That is the story, that is the message. Love is not loud. Love is not restless. Love is steady. Love is patience. Love is calm faith, like Parvati beside Shiva. Smiling in silence, radiating in peace. When life goes quiet, smile. When answers delay, trust. When people withdraw, stay calm. Growth is happening, healing is happening, strength is forming. Silence is not emptiness, it is preparation, it is transformation. Be like Parvati, strong without noise, patient without doubt, present without pressure, calm without weakness, faith without anxiety. That is emotional mastery, that is divine wisdom. Let your smile be trust, let your silence be strength, let your patience be love, let your calm be faith. Let your heart be steady like Parvati in Kailas, beside Shiva's stillness. Radiating warmth, holding space, creating peace. Silence does not break love, it reveals depth, it strengthens roots. So when silence comes, smile. When waiting feels long, trust. When words disappear, believe. Something divine is unfolding. Just like Parvati knew, just like love teaches, just like silence proves, peace begins within. Parvati smiled during Shiva's meditation, teaches us trust, faith, and calm love during life's quiet phases. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.